name's Christina Williams, and this is the second song I've written. First one was Moonlight Dawn, which is on YouTube, inspired by John Williams' Born on the 4th of July theme song. And this one is called Nightingale Wind. It was inspired by Charlotte Church's YouTube song she has on there of Ave Maria, which is not the Schubert version. I'm not sure who is the composer for that one, but she does a lovely job. I was watering our gladiolus, and this song just popped into my head. Hope you enjoy it.